Well, today we are going to draw with Bajra. Okay, right? Yes. So, today we are going to draw. You know that those days, in old days, how the letters were delivered. Do you know, right?
No.
Okay, so pigeons carried the letters, the birds carried the letters. Okay, so those days we communicated with each other using some particular animals. So today we are going to draw a bird carrying a letter. Okay, so first we are going to draw the bird. Okay, right. So you can start somewhere here. First, you drew two eyes like this, okay, and right, that's right, yes. And after that, the beak, we can draw the beak of the pigeon. We are drawing this like a cartoon, okay. And after that, we can draw the envelope like this, like a rectangle. We have another part like this on an envelope. And then we can draw the head of the pigeon. Okay. Yes. So you must have brave enough to use the platinums and the pencils to draw lines like this. Okay. So then we can draw the wing, one wing like this. You can draw three curves. Okay, I think it's enough, right? It's enough. Okay. It's enough, yes. And then from this side also we can draw another wing, the other wing, okay? Yes. That's right. Wow, good. Okay. Now the pigeon's back. Okay. So we can draw the tail because it's flying. Okay, we can draw the tail like this. And then we can draw the legs, two legs. First you draw the tail of the bird. Good. Okay, take the line a little bit more like that. Yes, okay. And then you can draw the line. No, so from here. Yeah. Okay. And then shall we draw the leg? Okay. And then the other leg also we can draw from the other side. Since it's flying. And then we can draw some feathers on its wings. Okay, right, good. And we can draw another small line like this, okay? Right, good. Right. Well, now we can color this very beautifully, okay, shall we? Right. Well, now we have completed, and so we colored the envelope, and but we kept the bird in white. Okay, so shall we show? Now see the bird is carrying an envelope, right? Okay, so fine, right? Good. So like this, you also can draw the pictures in different ways. Okay, so for the history or for Sinhala, if you study Hansa Sandeshya, okay, or Paravi Sandeshya, so you can draw the birds like this. Okay, and then of course it is very good if you can practice like this. Well, so today also we are going to leave and hope to bring you another new video. Till then, bye.
Bye.